DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely looking, pretty rare BMW 520d. It's the M Sport Estate. Front park distance control, upgraded alloy wheels, green tint to the rear, rear park distance control. Boot space is absolutely humongous in there. Electric tailgate. As you can see, for its age and mileage, it is in lovely condition. It's got the M Sport body styling kit. Full leather interior, wood stitch piping, electric windows, electric mirrors, auto headlights. Some 107,588 miles, satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats. Car sounds absolutely lovely. Different driving styles, modes, sport, comfort, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack. It's all there. Cruise control with speed limiter. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.